We are having a discussion here. Yes. Okay. Everybody stays down. It'd be nice if you could look pretty and say hello. Yeah. You'd be a good girl. Yes. Hi, precious. Oh. Nope. No. You stay down. Thank you. Yeah. Nobody wants to talk to somebody who's being obnoxious. Don't get back up. Don't do it. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Good girl. Hi. We'll try this one more time. This is the big girl. She's a low-key, soft-spoken. Yeah. Good girl. This is the baby sister. She's very cute. She's going to be very pretty. And actually, she's pretty well behaved. Yes, you are. Mm-hmm. You're a good girl. And then this would be sort of the big sister. She's a go-getter. She's not a follower. I would say she's more of an alpha trait with other dogs. She would make an excellent addition to anybody's family. She would just be one I would ask someone that has more of the ability to set up boundaries and make sure that they're consistent with her. Yeah. Well, I'm sorry, excuse me. I'll let you potty. What did I tell you? Did I say get down? I said down. 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 You're still not listening. Thank you. Good girl. Do you see who's listening? Aha. See who's listening? Good girl. Can I get kisses? You know I need a kiss. Good girl. Yes, good girls. Oh, I know. Well, look what I started. Look what I started. All right, down. Down. No excuse. This is a food dish, by the way. Down. Thank you. Give them a little headache. Ah! Thank you. Good girls. Mm-hmm. All right. Mm-hmm. Thank you. Awesome.